Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon Shay Sis. You know the drill and just streaming with Shay. And please remember to stay subscribed because we always have a good time. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. And today's topic is how to maintain and grow your hair in kinky twists. So I noticed that I've been getting the question of why did I cut my hair short? Why am I starting over? So if you'll remember, by last year around July, last summer, I decided to dye my hair, and this is where we're at. That decision is why we are where we are. I dyed my hair and then came back, started using avocado oil in liquid form, and it made my hair waxy. It was matted. I couldn't comb my own hair. I had enough. I was having headaches over headaches. I was like, you know what, I grew it once, I could do it another time. So for those of you all starting this journey, we're going to go through it together. And this time I'm going to be doing kinky twists because I noticed that it's a really versatile hairstyle. Apart from that, it grows your hair in terms of volume, prioritizes volume more, health and length. Mini braids is more of length retention than volume. That's one thing I noticed, because every time I used to do my mini twists with my long hair, I could see an increase in volume. But using my own hair makes my hair lock, because remember, any lock starts from like two strand twist is a starter lock. So I'm not about to lock my hair. I'm not ready for that type of commitment. So okay, how do you install them? How do you maintain them? We're about to talk about all that. Okay, let's move on. So installation, I watched a video because this was actually my first time doing this twist, and I installed them in a way where taking them out, I literally did not break any hair in that process. I did not break any, like I'm talking nothing. I did not comb my hair. Actually, I was busy like finger detangling a strand. Like I undid and did all of this again over the span of like 3 days, because I was like, you know what, I'm tired, I want them to look perfect and whatever. So I treat them the same way I treat mini braids. I install them. I used Afro Kinky at the back and Fluffy Kinky at the front. Don't ask why. Don't ask why. But you can either use either, like either it's Fluffy Kinky hair, or you can use Afro Kinky hair, or you can use your own hair. With me, my hair locks so badly, so this is an alternative for me to do mini twists without actually, you know, getting my hair locked and having to fight with detangling or whatever. I am now a mini twist warrior. Actually, kinky twist warrior. So yeah, how do I maintain them? Weekly basis, I moisturize. And by moisturize, I mean I make sure there's water hitting my head. Spray it like only along the sides where my hair ends. I don't spray the entire length because my hair is not this long yet. So it's around somewhere here, because this is estimation, okay? But yeah, so it is, I moisturize, I spray some water. Sometimes I go in with oil, but I only use oil twice in 10 days. So do the math. My scalp is not that dry. I always go in with a serum though. On my scalp, I always use a serum because I'm not about to like clog it with oils, because the more you apply oils, the more frequent you wash your hair. I wash my hair after every 10 days. So after every 10 days, if my hair is looking weird, I'll have to redo them one by one. I am not taking them all out and then putting them back. That's not what I'm going to do. Second, how do I wash my hair in kinky twists? At first, I was also looking at other creators who actually do hairstyles and hair care on their channel, but I can't do what they're doing. So I go in the lazy method. you know what, anything works as long as your hair is growing, okay? As long as that scalp is healthy, as long as you're taking care of your hair, you're leaving it alone, you're not doing tight hairstyles, trust me, your hair grows. All you have to do is length retention, okay? So first off, I go in with my shampoo. I shampoo my scalp, and then I go in with the hair. But sometimes I like to do the entire length, because before I braided, I did not wash the braiding hair. And oh my gosh, I just remembered that recently, recently I have not been having an itchy scalp, I've not been having a flaky scalp, and I love it. Because for the longest time while I was here, I'm in a different country now, while I was here, it was crazy. All the time I'd be having itchy scalp every time I did my hair. That's why I did it so fast. Like, I played my hair so fast. But with these ones, it is so nice. They're so light, they're so versatile. I just love it. So go in with a washing, shampoo twice or 3 times, mostly twice, because my shampoo is hydrating. When there's too much dirt, too much buildup, I'd go in with a clarifying shampoo. Yeah, I have both. And then second, I go in with a dip conditioner. Now for the dip conditioner, what happens is I bought a self-heating dip conditioner, because sometimes I'd be very lazy to put on a heating cap for the conditioner. So I bought a self-heating one that has capsicum. Capsicum. Is that how you say it? Bell peppers. Okay, a bell pepper extract. That is the one that I use. Some of them have, I forgot the other extract, but if you have something with bell peppers in it, like pepper, it self heats within the first minute of applying it on your head. Some of them you can apply it on the scalp because it allows the circulation. I will just talk about self-heating dip conditioners on its own, but it's heaven. It is heaven. Oh my gosh. Like, it is work made light. Okay. So go in with a dip conditioner, stay with it for like 5 minutes max, because sometimes it gets too hot in there. Rinse it off with lukewarm water, and then I go in with my hair balm or conditioner, like leave-in, but I just rinse it out because remember, I have a hairstyle in. I'm not about to make it matted. And then after that, oil my scalp. Actually apply serum to my scalp, then oil my scalp and hair, and that is pretty much it. And then throughout the week, it's just a moisturization with the oil to lock in the moisture. That's basically it. And you just have to redo them the moment you feel like, okay, I'm looking mad. It is easy as that. This is so versatile and low maintenance that I usually look for stuff that does not take a lot of time off of my hands. That's it, girls and guys looking to grow your hair. So we have actually come to the end of our video. So if you feel like you've had a wonderful time, a blast here, please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family and whoever's gonna need it. And please remember to come back and support a sister out. Love y'all. Bye.